SHS stands for Strategically Hidden Speaker, but it actually was the code name of the product while we were developing it because it looked like a sprinkler head. So SHS actually came from sprinkler head speaker and then morphed into Strategically Hidden Speaker when we tried to decide what to name it. We took the approach that we've already made the best sounding ceiling speaker we could, and that is the Strategy 3 FAP series with the quick mount dog legs. It's toolless installation. They sound amazing. So we already had conquered that. We have special transformer technology, and then we said we've made the best sounding speaker. Now let's go back and make the best looking speaker as well. So it was a 5-year process. Many people did not think it could get done. And internally, we had our doubts sometimes, but what we've ended up with is really, really cool. This is the neatest thing about the SHS. It's the first speaker that has different lenses for the front of it. So just like a projector can control the light waves with the lens, our speaker has different discs, lenses that go on the front. So one is a solid disc that is adjustable from 4mm gap opening to 8mm. One is a perforated lens that actually drops it down to 130 degrees dispersion. So you actually, by changing out the lenses, you can actually change the dispersion of the device all the way up to 170 degrees for low ceilings or for sound masking, all the way down to 130, and there'll be a 90-degree lens coming soon. So single speaker, multiple lenses, all included in the box. The other special thing about the SHS is there's the lenses on the front, there's a flat plate that we will actually print an image on with texture. So there's an application that's getting uploaded to the app stores, both Android and Apple. You'll be able to take a picture of the ceiling or wall, wherever you want to install it, upload that to us. We actually print on the front of it and then send you back the image to make sure it matches. And then that magnetically attaches to the front. So it could be you want an RAL color or a Pantone color, or for us to match paint, or even match wood trim, or even a custom ceiling like the Sistine Chapel. We can actually match it perfectly.